It's not just embarrassing me, it's embarrassing them too, and I hope it does embarrass them as much as it's embarrassing me.
For about 2 hours at one of the busiest intersections in Palm Coast, teenager Jasmine was alternately defiant and devastated over what her parents call tough love.
That's not love? How the heck? That's not love.
Jasmine was forced to hold a big sign that says, "I sneak boys in at 3 a.m. and disrespect my parents and grandparents." But parents Mike and Melinda say Jasmine's behavior's been on a downhill slide since starting high school in August. Lying, drinking, sneaking out.
I don't know what else to do. I've tried everything, and he says I'm babying her, so he's like, this is the next step to do for her, because I don't know. What do you do for the kids? I have no idea.
Mike says he lost hundreds of dollars taking the day off, but says if public humiliation doesn't get his stepdaughter's attention, Jasmine may come to the attention of police or worse.
The courts say to you, hey, why didn't you do some preventative stuff first? Or people look at you like that. This is our preventative stuff before the courts have to get involved. And because this is the beginning of what she's doing to eventually wind up in prison.
The Sheriff's Department did stop out here briefly, but they did not take any action. They say those are the girls' parents. They have a right to free speech. As long as they're not impeding traffic or doing anything else to violate the law, there's no problem here. But some passing motorists think the scarlet letter kind of sign, the community disgrace, could lead Jasmine to act out in other ways.
The way she looks right now, I don't want her to hurt herself, going back to school and whatnot.
Others, however, approved of the punishment, supported unusual, very visual parenting.